Thank you to the company for sending this 3/8 cordless ratchet wrench. Comes with the wrench and a few sockets. Now it does not come with a battery. They're compatible with DeWalt 20 volt. Has an easy reverse forward. It's very light, and it has a safety lock switch so you can't turn it on. Trigger's nice and smooth. Sockets has an extension. Overall, I think it would be very useful on small jobs.